Hello everyone, welcome back to channel Your Digital Guide. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, we will cover what is Delta Airlines flight change policy, fee and same day. Delta Airlines provides you with many comfortable options for ease of flight change. Simple procedures are there for the passengers so that they can make certain adjustments regarding flight changes in convenience with their schedule. Suppose you have booked a flight, but after some time you have changed plans due to any reason, or you have mistakenly booked the flight on a different date from the date intended. These complications can arise sometimes. Delta Airlines flight change policy has a perfect solution for you. It has various options through which you can change a flight according to your convenience. How Delta flight change policy works. You don't have to pay a flight change fee for a refundable flight with Delta Airlines. However, an additional fare difference for the seat upgrade has to be paid, which is between the new fare and the original fare as per Delta flight change policy. You will have to pay a flight change fee in case of changing to a non-refundable flight. The flight change fee will be influenced by the route and fare difference. For a refundable ticket, when you want to change a flight, you have to pay a change fee of $0 to $400 based on your travel route and also the fare difference as well. Basic economy tickets are non-refundable and non-changeable in the majority of cases. No change fees are required for travel within Puerto Rico, the US Virgin Islands, Canada, and 50 United States, but the fare difference has to be paid. Basic economy tickets are non-refundable and non-changeable in nearly all of the cases. The change fee is $0 to $400 based upon the location and type of fare for traveling outside the 50 United States, Canada, the US Virgin Islands, and Puerto Rico. Next, what is Delta flights change same day? According to Delta Airlines, you can get a confirmed seat selection for a flight change within the same day. However, there are only certain flights on which this rule of flight changing on the same day can apply, and these are the following: flights within the United Nations, Puerto Rico, and the Virgin Islands in the same travel class and do it for the main cabin set. Rules for Delta flights change policy on the same day. But there are certain rules that you need to follow for Delta Airlines flight change same day. Here are the rules given below. This does not apply to international flights with Delta Airlines. Flight change on the same day is not applicable for basic economy tickets. When you request this option, you need to note that you cannot change the destination and origin of a flight. This option is applicable when one is traveling with Delta and Delta connection flights in the US, Puerto Rico, and the US Virgin Islands. Main cabin seat passengers can get a standby for main cabin seats and not for higher classes. What is the procedure for Delta flight change policy? There are two processes which are online and offline methods for Delta Airlines flight schedule change. Below are the steps on how to proceed and complete the online method for flight change with Delta Airlines. First, we will see online method. Delta Airlines homepage. Please visit the homepage of Delta Airlines. Then navigate the My Trips section on the homepage of Delta Airlines. Then you can enter the confirmation number, debit card or credit card number or ticket number in the Find Your Trip My section and then enter your first name and last name. Then after that you have to go to the section change your reservation details. Next, now according to your schedule, change the time and date from the calendar or edit the details which you want to change. Then for Delta Airlines flight change, you are required to pay the change fee. Next, you will get a confirmation message for your new booking from Delta Airlines after completing the process. Next, we will see offline method. You can dial Delta Airlines phone number which is 1800-221-1212 for a flight change and connect with someone. Then the representative speaking on the phone needs to get access to your flight details. For this to happen, you need to provide all booking details to the representative speaking on the phone. Tell them what kind of changes or preferences you need in your flight change. Next is procedure to change Delta Airlines award tickets. The process of changing Delta Airlines award ticket is the same as any refundable and non-refundable ticket. Besides this, a fee will also be charged depending on the route. What is the fee for a Delta flight change policy? You have to pay the price difference in the basic economy ticket, non-refundable ticket, and refundable ticket during the 24-hour risk-free cancellation period, which means after your booking with Delta Airlines, you have up to 24 hours as a risk-free cancellation period. After 24-hour risk-free cancellation period, you have to pay between $0 to $400 as a change fee and the price difference between your non-refundable ticket and a refundable ticket. If you're making a flight change within 24 hours of flight departure, then you have to pay from $75 when available for non-refundable tickets and refundable tickets. If you found this video helpful, give this video a thumbs up. You can drop your queries in the comment section below, and for more such informative videos, do subscribe to this channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you never miss an update from your digital guide. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye, take care and have a nice day.